How many drinks have you had today, sir?
Yes.
Der Espresso hat ja ganz schön reingehauen.
Ja, was soll der machen, ne?
I'll tell you, mentally, he's definitely got some issues. You know, man, man, what a nut.
No, I know, I got it. I got the concept.
Toyota Prius.
The old-fashioned way.
With a car belonging to undercover police officers.
Slow down, everyone! Calm down! It's not a race! Stop rushing!
A few inches later.
Don't waste my motherfucking time!
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. I will look for you. I will find you.
Okay. Running a solid red right there.
6.5 hours later.
You scratched my car!
I told you I would find you.
3 weeks later.
Why?
It's not your fault.
You are dead drunk.
Many months later.
Why?
Er steht mitten auf dem Radweg, ne? Alles egal, ne?
Das kostet 300 Euro Bußgeld.
Knight Rider.
Shot fired.
Well, that's fantastic. A really smart decision.
Mi scusi.
Toyota Prius. Can't park here.
You can't park here.
Excellent. Well played.
Hey, you can't park here.
I just want to let you know that you can't park alongside of a fire plug.
You can't park here.
Yes, we can.
Okay, buddy. Go ahead.
Thank you. I can't tell you how much this means to me.
Listen, shut up for a second. Yes, yes, oh God! Yes!
There may be 3 lanes on the motorway. We should always keep to the left lane for normal driving. The other lane or lanes should only be used when overtaking.
Yeah, fantastic!
In der Praxis scheitern viele schon am Rechtsfahrgebot.
Linke Spur und Schleicher. Obwohl hier 100 ist, da kann man doch wenigstens 100 fahren. Ja. Guck jetzt, jetzt kommt ein Rechtsüberholer schon. Ja, ja. Ja, was soll der machen, ne?
40 € Bußgeld, 25 € Bearbeitungsgebühr und 1 Punkt in Flensburg.
Nö, kostet einmal 20 Euro.
While you're on one wheel, you could be charged with reckless driving. 8-point ticket on your license. Well, you'd pay about $300 for that.
Nein, 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 nein!
Oh, the speed! The speed!
Thank you! I love you!